Ahead of Plast 2026 in Milan, international media were invited to Italy for an exclusive press tour. We visited leading machinery manufacturers, discussed energy efficiency, recycling, and high-performance processing, and asked one key question. What will define this edition of Plast?
That's a good question. I mean, first of all, we know we cannot compete in terms of dimension with K-Show. K is much more bigger than us. Nevertheless, let me remind you that this year, Plast is the biggest show we have in Europe. We are the second largest show and we are really an international show. We have 1/3 of our visitors coming from all over the world, not only Europe and North Africa, but also South America, Middle East, and in particular are coming from Germany, because I would like to remind you that Italy is the second largest plastic manufacturing industry after Germany. So it's really an important market for everyone, where you must have high technology if you want to process to compete on the international market. If you want to see the best technology today, for this year, you have to visit Plast.
What message would you like to send to the Polish plastics industry ahead of Plast 2026?
First of all, Poland, it's a fast-growing market for us. Today is an exception in Europe, where the majority of the market are reducing investment, whereas Poland is growing. So I'm sure from Poland will arrive a significant number of visitors. And then the secret is not only to have exhibitors, but to have machinery working. So during the exhibition, not only injection, but also blown film, also blow molding, machinery. And then apart from the technology that you can see working in the exhibition, we have organized several conferences, seminars that always attract a lot of people, a lot of visitors from everywhere. So we wait our Polish friends.
Energy efficiency, high PCR content, and digital process control. These are no longer trends, but requirements. Bandera is responding with new extrusion concepts and intelligent control systems.
Now, today in Bandera, we are studying with our research and development a new extrusion system that is helping us to reduce the 20%, around 20, from 20 to 30% of energy cost. We are working with some supplier of polymers to study the right polymers to reduce the energy cost. Plus, we have a possibility by using our Anima software to control the energy consumptions. In Bandera, we have a twin screw extruder. With the twin screw extruder linked with our blow film line or with our flat die line, can help us to pelletizing and recycling, and we call upcycling the PCR produced from the customer productions. How we will present during the Plast 2026 with our AI that is implemented on our Anima software. We can control, we can help the operators to be more accuracy on the production. What does it mean? Mean that our AI can have one help to the operator to control the quality of the film by using camera, by using special machine learning system to better control and conduct the lines.
The second day took us to Moretto, a leader in material preparation technologies. How can drying and dosing systems reduce energy consumption and improve production stability?
For sure, we have the line of the XComb, the dehumidification line that we're going to present to the Plast. That is a big solution, an important solution to reduce energy consumption due to the fact combine the effects of the OTX hopper, the turbocharge that we produce in Moretto, and the software that allowed us to put together this performance The consequence of it is a very, very low energy consumptions per kilo of technical materials. But the line of the gravimetric system, basically on the production, there is a small gravimetric system or bigger gravimetric system, allow to help the client to keep the production stable, constant, and reintroduce the regrind material or recycled material basically on the final product with the right tolerance and with the right compositions of the mix of the materials. We are present in different exhibitions from now till the end of the year. For sure, we will not miss the Plast event in May and then the Plast in Milan in June, plus other important show that is coming earlier and after this date.
On the third day, we visited BMB, a manufacturer focused on high-performance injection molding machines. How has machine technology changed over the last decade?
In 10 years, the injection molding machine manufacturer adopt a new technology, new philosophy to produce the machine in order to be more competitive. We increase the injection speed to fill the product in the shorter time to reduce the weight of the product. You produce faster, you transform less material, in the same moment you save energy. The electrification of the movement is today necessary to save energy, to produce better, more clean.
At K 2025, you presented a high-speed machine for caps. Is thin wall injection now moving toward highly specialized product-specific machines?
Yes, for sure. This is, thank you for this question. We are really focused on packaging, on thin wall, and any occasion, any demand is used to improve the quality and performance of the machine. The machine that we showed to last K show, and we will show the second upgrade version in the Plast exhibition in Milano, is the machine is a HP machine. This means high performance hybrid machine, but in the same time completely redesigned in the clamping unit and something also in the injection unit in order to improve the performance for the thin wall product, for the multi-cavity product like caps enclosure less than 3 seconds, 96 cavity like in the K show, or stack mold, or for example, image one application that we had in USA for really multi cavity mold of 1 liter pail for 1,000 ton that take out 32 pail of 1 liter every 6.5 seconds.
Over 3 days, we saw extrusion, material preparation, and high-speed injection in action. The direction is clear. More efficiency, more specialization, more control. Plast 2026 will bring these technologies together in Milan.
Plast.